No, no. Hi guys, and what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Success Arakwe, as Success Cosmos Arakwe, as you already know. And on the vlog today, we'll be learning how to drive the vehicle in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. So come along with me. Okay, so I'm gonna use my ride to teach you how to drive in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. So on this vlog today, we're going to be learning how to drive a car in 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. So first off, you already know that as a driver, you should be on your seat belt. So on my seat belt, and okay, so first things first, we're already on our seat belt, and then next we have to start the car. But first of all, before starting the car, you have to hold your brake. The essence of holding your brake is that the car doesn't just start moving straight up. So I'm marching or stepping on the brake and inserting the key, the car key. This is first, the light comes off, and then the next turning, I've started the vehicle. So I'm still holding or stepping on the brake, and then I'm going to change this gear from the P means parking, because my car is currently parked. I'm going to change it from P to D. D means drive, R means reverse, and then this is normal. So we are changing it to drive. Then as long as it's on drive, that means your car is ready to move and it will be in motion. So let's go. Okay, so guys, remember when we had to, we're already in motion, we're driving already in motion, and I'm making use of my rear view mirror and then my side mirror while maintaining my lane. So I'm on the right hand side of the road because that is actually my lane, and we're in motion. So voila, that's how to drive in 5 minutes. So if you want to proceed to the express or to the highway, you're your own, it's your choice. The basic thing now is that you already have the courage and you're already a bit experienced. I remember as you're driving, you're taking note of different challenges. Those challenges could be potholes, could be bumps, could be bad roads. Taking note of those challenges on the road. So that means you should be once in a while be stepping on.
I would never advise you to practice how to drive on the highway or the express. Please choose a lonely road in your street, your estate, any lonely place. Alright, so guys, learning how to drive is a lot easier than it looks, right? I know it looks very intimidating from the passenger seat or in films, but once you get behind the wheel and put your foot on the pedal, the process becomes very easy, right?